Hello, and we're back. The shed got delivered, so that's exciting. We're just waiting on a couple of approvals to come back, and then we will be building that. Yeah, decent size, should be fun. But for now, we're just going to do a bit more bead rolling if you want to watch. Alrighty, so what I'm doing tonight is I've done up a bit of a design. This is going to be a little flap for the side of the bus that opens up for the toilet cartridge for the camper bus that we've got. So I thought I'd do something cool with it, and instead of just a flat panel, and designed it up so it's kind of like a sunrise, whatever, and we'll see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's nice. That'll look really good when it pops out, I reckon. If you're wondering why I'm sitting here at night time doing this, because my normal job that I usually do, which is retaining walls and paving and things like that, we still haven't finished up yet. We've got about a month and a half or so of work left to go, so I'm still having to get all of that done and then come back here and get to do my metalwork as well. So that's it at the moment, and we'll chuck it over the knee and see what it looks like. It's got a little bit of pop in it. It did stretch a bit of the metal a bit, shrink it in more. It shrunk it in a bit, so but it will be a fully framed little door, so it'll be fine. Alright, we'll swap the dies over and go around the outside of it. Cool. That pretty much turned out just like I thought it would in my head. I'll wipe off some of these lines and we'll have a final look at it, Alright, that's what we ended up with. Pretty much exactly what I wanted, just a bit of a sunshine sort of thing, whatever you want to make of it. I shrunk around the edges a little bit just to get rid of that pop, so now it's just solid, there's no pop in it, nice and straight. I think it looks good. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you like the video, like, subscribe, tell your friends, comment if you like it or if you don't. Goodbye for now.